lovely to take time out to go and support Michelle. I met Michelle something like about 20 years ago, and she's been in and out of life, but we reconnected about a year ago and found she was still doing these amazing poems where she would go off and find another passion, and this one for mindful leadership seems to really fit and has brought together such a large array of people from so many different industries and so many different possibilities all coming in onto this area. I like her passion, and this really is well, it's a really meaningful and it's a really strong platform that she has got so many people on board to work with her. I'm really proud of what she's doing, really proud.